What up, you guys? Your boy Mikeyyywill here. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're actually gonna install this Vevor. It's like a diesel heater, and it's small, and it's good for RVs and conversions alike. So let's see how this works.
Yeah, so I hear a lot of things about these Chinese diesel heaters. This one's talked about a lot and frequently, and for the price and the low watt usage, it's pretty cool to see what this thing looks like in my hands. Alright, and I got this extendo hose to run through this already existing pretty crappy looking crack, and it's actually right over the exhaust. I just gotta see how it's going to fit. Alright, somehow got that through there, through under there, right underneath my inverter. I'm obviously gonna pull it down, and it's gonna go, I don't know if you can see what that ratchet strap is, it's gonna go right over there. Alright, so guys, what you gotta do here, this is the intake hose right here. Put a clamp on it, screw it in. It looks a little easier than it is, but that little clamp is annoying. Screw it in, whatever. Alright, this is that's like the intake muffler or the intake filter. Not muffler, filter. And you put a clamp on that as well. Do that up. And you're supposed to put this thing on a platform. So I had these bed risers, and I know they're sturdy because they're for a bed. So put that on there, bolted them to the floor, and then bolted the diesel heater unit to each of the bed risers. I use like 3 self-tapping screws. I don't know. I feel like regular bolting them would just break. So I was just like, let's go with the simple route, and if it does break, we could just move it to a different spot. So you're gonna need some heat-resistant padding, which they do give you, but it's not enough when you get that whole thing, and that's what everything looks like together. And you have to put, well, you don't actually have to put this little piece there, but that is for if you want to like direct the air or whatever. And then this is me struggling trying to get these little screws in the clamps. They are something. It's cool though. I had to take it out and put a little fiberglass little heat wrap on this thing because I definitely didn't want burning the ground or burning on the inside of. And it obviously wouldn't burn the van, but it would burn some of the insulation, and that would be no bueno. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, like, and comment. Everything helps. More content coming soon. Peace.